In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check for updates in Microsoft PowerPoint quickly and easily. Keeping PowerPoint updated is extremely important because updates include new features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and critical security patches that help keep your system running smoothly. The good news is that checking for updates only takes a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu on Windows and typing PowerPoint into the search bar, or by selecting it from your desktop or taskbar if you already have it pinned there. Once PowerPoint launches, you can either open an existing presentation or simply stay on the Start screen. It doesn't matter which file is open, because the update settings are part of the main application, not a specific presentation. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to what's called the Backstage view. The Backstage view is where you manage your account, settings, saving options, and other important configurations related to PowerPoint itself. When the File menu opens, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll down slightly to see all the available options. Go ahead and scroll if required, and then click on Account in the left side menu. This section contains all the information about your Microsoft Office subscription or standalone version. Once you click on Account, look toward the right side of the screen under the section labeled Product Information. Here, you'll see details about your version of Microsoft PowerPoint, including whether it's part of Microsoft 365, Office 2021, or another edition. In this same area, you'll find a button labeled Update Options. Click on Update Options to reveal a small drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll see several choices. To check for updates manually, click on Update Now. As soon as you click this option, PowerPoint will begin checking Microsoft servers for any available updates. If your software is already up to date, you'll see a message confirming that you're running the latest version of Microsoft Office. If an update is available, PowerPoint will automatically begin downloading and installing it. During this process, you may be prompted to close open Office applications, so the updates can be applied properly. Make sure to save your work before allowing the update to proceed. It's also worth noting that in the same Update Options menu, you may see an option called Enable Updates. If updates have been turned off for some reason, you can click Enable Updates to ensure that PowerPoint automatically installs future updates. Keeping automatic updates enabled is generally recommended, so you don't have to manually check each time. And that's all there is to it. That's how you check for updates in Microsoft PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. Open PowerPoint, click on File, go to Account, select Update Options, and then choose Update Now. It's a quick process that helps keep your software secure, stable, and packed with the latest features. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.